Hello boys and girls. Yesterday we had learned how to use this is and that is in sentences, and today we will be learning how to use these and those in sentences. So let's begin. Let's take a quick recap of this and that. We use this to identify or point out a thing or a person which is close to us and is single. For example, this is a bee. Here you can see this is a place where I am standing and a bee is near to me. So we will use this here, and here bee is single in number. So this is a bee. That, we use that to identify or point out a thing or a person which is far from us and is single. For example, that is a bee. Here bee is one in number, single in number, and this is a place where I am standing and it is far from me. So we will use that over here. So this is for near and that is for far. Now we will learn where do we use these. We use these to identify, point out things or people which are close to us and many in number. Children, these word is used for plural words. For example, these butterflies are flying near the grass. Here you can see this is a place where I am standing. Alright. And butterflies are more in numbers. And these butterflies are close to me. These are near to me. So we will use these over here. So these butterflies are flying near the grass. Those, we use those to identify or point out things or people which are far from us and many in number. Children, both these and those are used for plural words. Always remember. Here you can see the example. Those ducklings are following their mother. So this is a place where I am standing and ducklings are far from me. Alright. So we will use those. So those ducklings are following their mother. Here ducklings are more in numbers. So those ducklings are following their mother. Alright. So the key point is these word is used for the things, or you can say objects, which are near to us, and those word is used for the things which are far from us. So these is for near and those is for far. But these and those both are used for plural words. Alright. Now we will learn how to use these and those in sentences. Children, this is a place where I am standing and here you can see bananas are near to me, right? And bananas are more in numbers. So we will write these are bananas, right? Here we are pointing to bananas. So these are bananas. Now in the second picture, here you can see there are apples, right? Apples are more in numbers and apples are far from me. So we will say those are apples. These are bananas and those are apples. Now in the next example, similarly, toffees are near to me and we will say these are toffees and these are cupcakes. Cupcakes are far from me, so we will say those are cupcakes, and both the things are more in numbers. Similarly, balloons and kites. Here balloons are near to me and kites are far from me. Both are more in numbers, so we will say these are balloons and those are kites. Now let us learn how to use this and these. We use this to talk about a person, place, animal or thing which is near us. For example, this is a book, this is a girl. And we use these to talk about people, places, animal or things which are near us. For example, these are toys and these are pencils. Children, you have to see, you have to learn that there is only one difference between this and these. This is used for singular words, alright? For singular words, and singular means one, and these word is used for plural words. Plural means many. The objects which are more in numbers. Alright, here you can say there is a one book, a book. So this is a book. Here you can see that the toys are more in numbers. The S word is added at the end of the word, so the word is toys. So these are toys. All right. These are pencils. All right. See examples. This is a flower and these are flowers. Children, you can see here flower is 1 in number and here flowers are more in numbers, right? So that's why we have written this is a flower and these are flowers. All right. Now this is a car and these are cars. See, here car are more in numbers, but both the objects are near to me. Alright. So, the only difference is of numbers. Like here car is 1 in number and cars are more in numbers. So, this is a car and these are cars. Dat and those. We use dat to talk about a person, place, animal or thing which is far from us. For example, that is a dog and that is a clock. We use those to talk about people, places, animal or things which are far from us. For example, those are kites, those are trees. Let's understand it through some examples. Here you can see that objects. Here this bench is far from me. Also here benches are more in numbers. Benches are more in numbers and benches are far from me and bench is far from me. So we will write that and here those. So that is a bench and those are benches. Why we have written is over here and why we have written are? Because bench is here 1 in number and here benches are more in numbers. So that is a bench and those are benches. Here also you can see both the things are far from us. So that is a dress and those are dresses. All right. Now see the picture and filling the blanks with the correct option. So here you have to tell me the correct answer. So the first one is dash is an auto rickshaw. This is a place where I am standing. It is near or far from me? It is far from me. Options are given. So which option will come over here? Dat. Dat is an auto rickshaw. All right. This is a place where I am standing and here it is a tree and there is only one tree. So and tree is near to me. So we will write this over here. We will select this option. This is a tree. The next example, this is a place where I am standing and roses are far from me. Right. So what we will write? And the roses are more in numbers. So we will write those. Those roses are very beautiful. The next example, here this is a place where I am standing and Christmas tree is near to me. So, and it is only one tree. So we will write this. This is my Christmas tree. All right. Now open your English notebook. Write today's date, day and classwork. Heading, use of this, that, these, those. Children, you have to write rules over here that we have already discussed. And here few sentences you have to write in your English notebook. Use of this, that, these and those. All right. You have to do this work neatly. Now homework, children. From English grammar book, you have to do page number 47. Okay. Complete the sentences with this, that, these or those. All right. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.